How to connect and use Shopify with Tradelle. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect and use Shopify with Tradelle. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you will also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables anyone to start, manage, and grow an online business, in which it provides a customizable online store with themes, tools to sell across multiple channels, a secure checkout process, and built-in marketing features. And Shopify's flexibility allows businesses to add functionality as needed with optional products, sales channels, and integrations available directly from the Shopify admin. And the platform also offers a rich ecosystem that connects sellers, developers, business experts, and shoppers, making entrepreneurship more accessible. And now to start using this platform, you could also enter here your email address below here and click the Start Free Trial button to proceed. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page, in which this is the homepage of Shopify. And it will show you on the website panel some of the options that you can start navigating. But to start installing the application of Trader, you could also click this Add Apps button on the website panel. And on this pop-up window, just scroll down until you find the Shopify App Store. So kind of click on it, then you will be directed on the next tab. So as you can see, we are now currently under Shopify App Store, and now to proceed, just go to the search bar and kindly search Tradelle. And upon searching Tradelle, you'll be able to see here all of the result of Tradelle application. However, as you can see, it is currently not available in here based on this result. So in order to start installing the Tradelle, you could also go to the search bar and kindly search on Google Tradelle, and kindly click this first link that come up. And upon clicking the first link, you will be directed in here. But before that, if you don't know what is Tradelle, it is a comprehensive product research and fulfillment platform designed to help dropshippers find profitable products, automate order processing, and streamline their business operations. And now to get started for free, just click this button right here to proceed. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do from here to sign up, you could also sign up using your Google, Facebook, or by filling out all of the required information below here. But in those options, I'm going to choose to continue using my Google account. And after signing in, just click this back to application button, then you will be directed on this page right here. Then just click the continue button below here to proceed and answer the question, where are you planning to sell? I'm going to choose own store, and also product sourcing, I'm going to choose dropshipping. And after that, just click this get started button below, and the next thing that you need to do is you simply choose to start your free trial, or you could also upgrade your account if you want to. However, at this point, I'm just going to start my free trial, so can you click here, and after that, you will be directed on this overview of Tradelle, in which on the left side panel, it will show you some of the options that you can start navigating. However, to start searching for a specific product, you could also click this product picks on the left side panel, in which it will show you a variety of products that are available in here that you could use to dropship on Shopify. However, some of the product in here has luck, which means you need to upgrade your account in order to use those products to dropship. And now, to start choosing your product, just proceed by clicking Show Details to proceed. For instance, I'm choosing this product, Anime Light Packs. So can I click Show Details, then we will be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show us in here some of the details about this product, including the title, the description in here, which we could also copy and paste it in our Shopify store. And below, you'll be able to see here the product cost, the selling price, and your profit per sale once you choose this product to dropship in your online store. And also below here, you could also compare some of the prices from AliExpress by clicking in here in order to compare the prices and even use some of those platforms as your source if they offer a cheaper price than in Tradelle. And now as you can see, we also have here this kind of product that offer on AliExpress, but that is just only amounting to $6.02 compared to product costs in here amounting to $14.92. So basically, we could use this AliExpress as our source in our inventory. But you could also compare to Amazon, Facebook, and even in Alibaba, globalsources.com, DHgate, and many more. And also below here, you could also navigate some of the details, including the fulfillment by Tradelle, in which from here, you'll be able to see the total price and shipping costs depending on your location or your country. And after that, to import to our Shopify store, just click this Import to Shopify button in here to proceed. However, in order to do that, you must have an upgrade account in order to do so. But since we're using a free plan, we're not able to do that. However, if you're using an upgrade account on this Tradelle platform, After clicking this import to Shopify button, you'll be able to start importing this product, and you could also check it on your Shopify store by simply clicking or going to your product section on your Shopify. Now let's go back on this page of Tradelle and let's choose again the specific product that we want to import in our store. So as you can see, you can simply choose some of the product that are available or unlocked. However, if you're using an upgrade account, you can choose any of this product in which all of these are available to dropship. So let's say we're choosing this kind of product, which is electric hair braider, which costs $8.85 with a price of $19.99. And now by simply clicking the show details button below here, we will be able to be directed on this page, in which we'll be able to see here the image of this product, the description of it, in which we can simply copy and paste to our Shopify online store. And as you can see in here, we will have approximately a profit of $11.14 US, and that is only per sale. And also, we can earn more if you also click this go to AliExpress button right here to compare some of the prices for the same product that is offered on the AliExpress platform, in which we could use some of these platforms as our source of our inventory if the pricing here is way more cheaper than the Tradelle. And as you can see here, it only offers on AliExpress amounting to $0.99, in which it is way more cheaper than the Tradelle that is offered amounting to almost $9 per cost of the item. Now going back in here, if we scroll down, we will also be able to see the fulfillment to determine the shipping cost. By simply entering here our country, we will be able to see the cost. And after that, if you're now done, you can now proceed by simply importing it to your Shopify store. Click this import to Shopify button right here. However, on this pop-up window, you will be able to see that you should have an upgrade account in order to do so. And so with the upgrade plan in here that offered by Tradelle, we have here 1-month plan amounting to $29.99, or you could also avail their best value, which is 1-year plan amounting to $19.99 per month, but that is a 1-year plan. While for the lifetime plan amounting to $479 US, but that is already a one-time payment. So you can choose any of this kind of upgrade plan. Now moving on, once you also import to your Shopify, you could also go to your Shopify store and click the product section, in which you should see here all of the product that you just import from Tradelle. And from there, you could also customize the pricing and use this estimate profit calculator as your guide in order to create or enter your price. You could enter here your selling price, and by entering here the number of sales, you can determine your net profit per sale, and you could also determine here your potential profit. And below, you could also see your profit margin percentage given the product cost in here. Aside from that, below here, you could also see the targeting on social media. We have here the gender, which is female, the age 18 to 45, with interest in hair products, hairstyle, hair care, hair coloring, hair conditioner, and hair dryer. And that is all depends on the type of product that you are importing or you're trying to sell. You could also see here the competition and key metrics, and even the list of product complements in here, in which you could also import to your Shopify store. So basically, Tradelle provides a robust product research tool that allows users to access detailed insights into millions of products. This includes data on profit margins, sales trends, market demand, and competition. But overall, that is just basically how you can connect and use Shopify with Tradelle. Thank you.